good looking, so refined. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on in my mind? So let me get right to
What else
the
am I
point.
finna say?
I don't pop
All
my
we do is
cork
get
for
dubs.
every guy I see.
Yeah.
Hey, big spender, spend
Nothing else to
a
say.
little time with me.
Man, this Camarillo, they know the deal. We getting dubbed like half a meal. Never would've thought that I would turn the wheel. Ball so hard it might reveal. They think it's magic like Johnson. We getting dubs, that's constant. Hit you quick with action. I'm making hits like Bronson. Boy, we ain't never finna stop. 14-0, we came to the top. Just a small town doing big things. Got a big team and we got the rings. Throwing the franks so we staying safe. That QB keep, we got the fake. With Jake leaving the crowd shaked. Omaha, we making plays. Came out the blue, touchdown from number 2. That Cyclone, we reppin' blue. We always going up like an attribute. So we got the ring sign, no recruits. Other schools just notice. We play this back like a running back. Shout out to the homie Otis.
At the Thousand Oaks 40-yard line, they go for it. The naked bootleg, Jake Constantine. The first down, he's got the touchdown as he drives Howe into the end zone. Hey, it's time to celebrate. Camarillo shuts out Thousand Oaks in the second half to win the CIF Northern Division Championship 55-27. They're now 14-0.
Homie, we going, never stop flowing. Cam high, staying clutch, we all homies. Got that spin move like I'm Kobe. That's ASAP, it's Goldie, Docs, Clancy. Got Zambri, got Yankee, got Casey. Got Ryan, yup, Harry, yup, Hambry, yup. Game 6, woo! Got a broke clock, Rolex, it don't tick-tock. We keep it 100, but we like the shot. This defense, we got you locked. Always staying lit when we in the stands. 100 bands, I do it grand. We conquered and overcame. Getting dubs, man, every game. Long time since 96. Came quick like sleight of hand. It's like a team, but we all a fam. Ain't nobody finna understand. Looking back at this, these the memories. December 4th, 2015, we made history.
Hey Sean, we should add some other people in there. What? We should add some other people.
Dude, yesterday I learned how it was so much easier to cut. Like I would, you know, I was taking with German.
Dang.
Footage. Look at this. In the raw. Eric, let's go next. You want me? Let's go.
Tell Miss Sue that you're going.
Oh.
Stop!
I have to be sideways first.
I have like everyone.
Right here. Just drop it on this part. Everything's right around the foot. Hey, who's you filming? Film my back. No, I am it. This is pathetic, dude.
You guys will make it.
Eric, so you're getting in on that side and then I'm getting right behind you. Just hold the boat.
One layer of some
Mister, we're gonna go.
cardboard, and we did it.
Selena, go one side!
You see there's an oil right there. In touch. Gotta go back.
You gotta go back.
Let's go. Let's go back.